I already recorded this video. This video is already, it's done. It's in the can. I'm not fucking re-recording it, but I did forget two things. One, I never really provided a receipt for you guys in the original video. So right here, I'm going to show you guys just a receipt that I had received that I did actually get free Chick-Fil-A. I got 2 free sandwiches, and I also got a free fucking French fry. All right, because I'm a fatty. I'm a fatty McFatty. I'm a fatty Chick fatty. I am aware that in the video I have a little bit of some jizz bomb on my lips throughout the whole thing. Please ignore those. I find it funny that in this video I opted to use like new lighting where it's just like one single source, one key light, because I didn't want to like clean up my bedroom or my office. Really, this is a bedroom that was converted into an office, so I didn't want to clean up my office. But yet now here I am in the middle of the day re-recording this intro, and my fucking office is still a mess, so it was pointless. I should have just, who gives a shit, right? Who gives a shit about the lip jizz? Who gives a shit about the fucking mess? Just be you, be cool, enjoy your Chick-fil-A, and let's fucking go. Let's just jump right into the video, ladies and gentlemen. You saw it, you want to hear it. How the fuck do you get free Chick-fil-A? I don't even know. I don't know. What's this guy gonna say? I gotta see. What is going on, YouTube? I'm your host, Julian, and this is another episode of JDHD. I don't need to explain to you guys what the video is about. You read the title. You clicked on the link, and you're fucking here. And I'm proud of you. You made it. You made it. Because you're like me. You like some free shit. This video is going to literally teach you how to get free Chick-fil-A. I feel like I have this conversation about once a week with people. I honestly do. I don't even eat Chick-fil-A that much anymore. I'm actually going to start cutting back. Even if you don't eat Chick-fil-A, okay? What I plan to do with the Chick-fil-A sandwiches that I get, I'm going to get them weekly. Anytime I see a Chick-fil-A, I'm pulling my ass over, skirt, and I'm going to go get the Chick-fil-A. I'm going to get like 10 sandwiches. I'm going to get those sandwiches, and I'm just going to go give them out to homeless people. Why? Because homeless people need Chick-fil-A too, all right? Probably need it more than you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, right here I have a Chipotle receipt, okay? This is from October. I actually been wanting to make this video since October. I finally found some free time to drop some nuggets on you guys. It's actually not nuggets, they're sandwiches. I'm ready to drop some sandwiches on you guys. Okay? So, this is not a sandwich. This is a burrito. And the sandwich thing will make sense in un momento. So whenever you get a receipt from any of these large corporations, whether it's Chick-fil-A, whether it's Chipotle, whether it's Jimmy John's, McDonald's, Wendy's, Hardee's, Arby's, Barty's, Bark, all of them, okay? What you should do, and I have ADHD, hence the name JDHD, and one of the blessings of ADHD is that I'm very observant, like almost too observant to the point where like it's super fucking annoying to date me, to be friends with me. So it's a little isolating, but I do get these little nuggets, sandwiches, from time to time. And what I've observed is like on the back of every single receipt, like for Chipotle, Chipotle has like the wackest of all receipt like reward program type of dealios. And that's why I kept it, because I wanted to be like, dude, Chipotle, you make $1 billion a year. You could at least give us a little something, something. Because when I was a kid, there used to be these stamps that if you had 10 fucking burritos, you got the 11th for free. Okay? And then people found out how to get the little, and this was at Pancheros, by the way. That's probably why they're not around anymore. It was maybe a poor business decision, but a lot of people actually, they used to have these hole punchers, and they'd punch out the letter P, and the P would have like a sombrero on it. And then, you know, somebody like designed their own P sombrero thing, or maybe they cut it out and they got like 150 free burritos, and next thing you know, Pancheros is out the door, gone, out of business, bankrupt. But Chipotle, they're not as generous. On their receipts, you have the chance to win Chipotle for a year if you do this survey. That's what theirs is, okay? And, well, Chick-fil-A, on just about every other receipt that I've ever gotten from Chick-fil-A, there is a little survey on, I made like a 10-minute video to share 30 seconds of information, but I promise there's going to be more. There's a survey on every single one of these receipts. So I've been just like This is just from like a week's worth of receipt. These are all Chick-fil-A, 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 Chick-fil-A. These are from today. These 3 right here. And yeah, whenever I go to Chick-fil-A, what I do is I look. So when you order Chick-fil-A, I always ask for like a little bit. I ask for a water, okay? And when you're at the counter, there's usually like a little teeny garbage can. It's white, and you put your straw wrapper in that garbage can, okay? In that garbage can, though, because my observations, right? Because I was so observant. I'm going to pat myself on the back for that one. Not really, just kidding. But for real, I am observant, and I was observing that when I put my little wrapper into the small little pail, the little garbage pail, I looked in there and I was like, oh shit, I recognize that. That's a Chick-fil-A receipt. Because like there's this little thing that says, it's like this little code. So not all Chick-fil-A receipts have these, but a lot of them do. And a lot of people don't know that, and they throw them away like right away. They get their pop, you know, they take off this little guy, and then they have this in their hand, and they just throw both away at the same time, right into that little teeny garbage can. And that's when I come up. That's when your boy comes up, and I scoop up everything in that garbage. I just I grab it, and I put that shit in my Chipotle bag. Not Chipotle bag. Why would I put it in my Chipotle bag? My Chick-fil-A bag. Without a doubt, almost every single time, a free Chick-fil-A sandwich. Like, no matter what. So if you go to a Chick-fil-A, and you are wondering like right now like about COVID, actually right now is like the best time for free Chick-fil-A sandwiches, because everybody just drops their receipt outside of their car. I found like 35 free Chick-fil-A sandwiches the other day. I'm actually going to make a video about it. I'm going to go back to the same location. There was so many Chick-fil-A sandwiches on the ground. I was like, we hit the fucking jackpot. We hit the mother load. But I have to stop eating Chick-fil-A sandwiches because I'm gaining my quarantine pounds. But here's another way to get more free sandwiches, okay? So on all of these receipts, you can redeem, if you download the Chick-fil-A app, you can do a missed transaction, and you can punch in all of this data, and then they'll give you back a certain amount of points per dollar spent. And then once you rack up a certain amount of points, you can get free Chick-fil-A sandwiches, you can get free fries, you get free ice cream. You basically just get free carbs. They get you addicted, and you just keep coming back. That's like the whole point. It's delicious. It's addicting. They know that if they give you a free sandwich or a free ice cream or a free cookie or a free brownie, you're going to buy more shit at Chick-fil-A. You're going to buy the lemonade. You just have to resist those temptations, and then you've won. You know, sometimes you just go get your free Chick-fil-A, give that shit to a homeless man, and go get whatever fucking meal you want. Maybe go cook at your house. I don't know. Do whatever you need to do. Do whatever you want to do. This is your life to live. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you these are ways to get free Chick-fil-A sandwiches. You're going to have to get your hands dirty, literally and figuratively, but that's okay. You know, I grew up poor. I don't give a fuck. I have no shame in the free Chick-fil-A game, dude. I picked this lighting today because I didn't want to clean my room, and I've gained a little bit of weight, so I figured, like, black is a great way to hide weight gain, right? Like, when you wear a black t-shirt, I was like, what if we just, like, black everything out around me and just have, like, one spotlight on me? I'll look skinny. I'll be, like, the skinniest guy on YouTube.